I appreciate y'all coming today. Just take the time that we can show you around here at Overlook and kind of give you a tour on what we do. So in 2016, we started in our front yard about 2 miles down the road from here, selling off some hay wagons. Just had, a small display, started with melons and some tomatoes and stuff like that we used to grow. And then in 2021, we came down here and built, and it was smaller than what it is now. We've added a bakery and deli since then, and just continues to grow every year. We have 30 to 40 employees depending on the season. We started out, just my wife and I starting out. We have a lot of different branches. We have the market, we have the deli, we have the kitchen where we make made-to-order food, and then we have the bakery. We kind of have the warehouse division, wholesale division, and then keeping up with grounds, the farming side of it. There's a lot of different kind of legs within the business that all has to have some form of management or oversight in order for everything to work and run efficiently. Well, we have an atmosphere that's really customer service oriented. Everybody kind of knows everybody. It's a small town. We have a lot of people that have been with us from day one. They'll talk about the time that we'd sell produce underneath the tree down there in our front yard, and trying to teach our employees how to still take care of them as my wife and I started to, because that's what's made us successful, is the customer service and the connection side. A lot of the people come here not necessarily for the product, but for the customer service and the friendships that we've built over the years. A lot of our product here is a locally made. We're all about local. We work with a lot of farmers. We work with the produce auction. We contract with some farmers. Rockingham County is very pro-ag, which is awesome. It just gives us a lot more opportunity and support from the community and from the governing branch here. There's been grants out there. There's been just a lot of support. We appreciate Rockingham County working with us here in this corner, and we hope to be here for many generations and hopefully for a long time.